You've likely heard of ginger. This plant, originally from Southeast Asia, is considered one of the healthiest in the world. Even though synthetic drugs are widely used for many health problems, ginger is often a great natural option for treatment. In today's video, we're uncovering the incredible health benefits of one of nature's most powerful remedies, ginger. Ginger is a plant, and it's a part of the Zingiberaceae family, which grows best in moist soil. Turmeric, a close relative of ginger, also belongs to this family. The ginger plant grows up to about 1 meter tall and has green-purple flowers. The root of the plant is what people use to make spices, tea, and medicines. You can use ginger in its fresh form, dried, or as part of a juice. Ginger has a unique spicy taste that might take time to get used to. Many people drink ginger tea for its health benefits, and you can sweeten it naturally with honey to improve the flavor. Ginger is rich in essential nutrients that enhance its health benefits. It contains vital vitamins like B2, B3, B6, B9, and vitamin C, which support energy and immune function. Additionally, it is packed with minerals such as iron, zinc, phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium, crucial for various bodily functions. This nutrient-dense root not only adds flavor to your meals, but also serves as a natural source of important vitamins and minerals. Let's explore the benefits of ginger. A 2020 review found that ginger can help reduce morning sickness and nausea after cancer treatment. A 2016 review indicated that the compounds gingerols and shogaols, which give ginger its smell, are effective at preventing nausea and vomiting. However, the amount of these compounds can vary based on how ginger is prepared. The review noted that dried ginger has the highest concentration of gingerol, followed by fresh ginger and ginger tea. One study included 576 adult cancer patients and found that doses of 0.5 grams and 1.0 gram were most effective for reducing nausea. Out of the 7 studies analyzed, 5 showed that ginger was helpful, while 2 found no benefits. The authors of the review suggested that the mixed results might be due to differences in how ginger was used. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Many people use ginger to help recover from colds or the flu, but most evidence for this is based on personal experiences rather than scientific research. A study from 2013 looked at the effects of fresh and dried ginger on a respiratory virus in human cells. The findings suggested that fresh ginger might help protect the respiratory system, while dried ginger didn't show the same benefits. A large study in 2017 indicated that eating ginger daily could support the immune system, potentially helping protect against chronic diseases and aiding recovery from illnesses like the common cold or flu. Another small study from 2019 examined the effects of ginger extract on smokers and non-smokers. It found that daily ginger extract consumption was linked to a stronger antibody response in non-smokers. A 2015 review found that taking ginger orally is modestly effective and reasonably safe for treating inflammation caused by osteoarthritis. However, the authors pointed out that the studies they analyzed were small and might not reflect the general population. Similarly, a 2017 review of 16 clinical trials concluded that the natural compounds in ginger may help reduce inflammation. The authors of this review also emphasized the need for more research to determine the best dosages and types of ginger extract for effectiveness. Ginger may help relieve pain due to the anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects of its gingerol compounds. A 2016 review found that ginger might be particularly effective in reducing dysmenorrhea, which is pain before or during a menstrual period. However, the authors noted that the studies they reviewed were often small or not very high in quality. To fully understand the link between ginger consumption and pain relief, more research is needed. There is some evidence that ginger extract may help prevent cardiovascular disease. A 2017 study involving 4,628 participants found that daily ginger consumption could protect against conditions like coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, cerebrovascular disease, and fatty liver disease. The authors suggested that ginger might be useful as a preventive treatment. To determine if ginger can also aid in treating people with cardiovascular disease, more research is needed. In a smaller study from 2016, ginger extract was found to reduce heart abnormalities in diabetic rats. The authors noted that this reduction might be partly due to the antioxidant properties of the extract. A 2019 meta-analysis of 14 studies found that consuming ginger led to weight loss in overweight and obese individuals. One possible reason for this effect is that ginger appears to lower blood insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar, and high levels are linked to decreased fat burning. Ginger may also help regulate hunger and appetite, but more research is needed to confirm this. This idea makes sense because successful weight loss relies on creating and maintaining an energy deficit. Ginger has some amazing beauty benefits. It can improve skin health thanks to its antioxidants, increased blood circulation, and antiseptic properties. The essential vitamins and minerals in ginger help keep the skin hydrated and nourished. Its antioxidants can protect the skin from UV rays and slow down the breakdown of collagen, making the skin look younger and more supple. Ginger can also brighten your complexion by promoting blood circulation, which leads to a healthy glow. Its antiseptic properties can help reduce acne symptoms, and using raw ginger can aid in healing scars from acne. Additionally, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated skin. Research suggests that regularly consuming ginger may help protect the brain and guard against age-related decline in brain function. Chronic inflammation can negatively impact the brain over time, leading to cognitive issues, mental health challenges, or conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Ginger reduces inflammation and protects the brain from free radicals due to its powerful antioxidants. It also enhances memory function by boosting neurotransmitters responsible for memory, focus, and reaction time. Additionally, ginger stimulates the release of dopamine and serotonin, which can help combat mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Gingerol may help keep blood sugar levels steady, which is important for managing the long-term health effects of type 2 diabetes. According to O'Neill, ginger reduces the enzymes that break down carbohydrates, aiding glucose metabolism. People with type 2 diabetes often don't produce enough insulin, which is necessary for glucose to circulate throughout the body and prevent it from building up in the bloodstream. Studies have shown that ginger can help muscles absorb glucose without needing extra insulin. This could lead to additional benefits. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you're ready to incorporate ginger into your daily routine, let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and remedies. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from ginger's amazing properties. Stay healthy and see you next time for more exciting content.